So we want to find this length here, right? But we only know the angle, right, in this triangle EGF. So let's try to figure out what this height is. All right, we can do that because we know this side and this angle. Okay, so then this is the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent side, right, relative to the 56. So then this h here, let's call it h, is going to be, let's see, cosine of 56 is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? So if I cross multiply this, right, all I have to do is switch the h and the cos 56 around, and I get h is equal to 150.5 all over cos of 56. Okay, so we have this. Now how do we relate this h with this value? Let's call this x, right? So this, according to this 35 degrees, we have the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So cos 35 is going to be the adjacent, which is h, right, which is here, over the hypotenuse x. Right, so we know this, we don't know what x is, so cross multiplying again and switching these two around, we get x is equal to h over cos 35. Right, so all we have to do is plug into the calculator this on top divided by cos 35, and you will get 328.6 meters.